today we are starting off with a brand new month, which means that we have a brand new series for you. We being me and Janet Fritz, who is Galaxy Girl Creations here on YouTube. And we are going to be doing something called Kit Conspiracy. So Janet and I have picked out some papers and created a paper-only kit using the papers that we had alike in our stash. And each week we will present, a brand new kit for you guys every Friday of the start of the week. And then we will start creating with that kit either on Friday with Mixed Media Mayhem or on Saturday when we have something special. Now each week we have, what's going on each week is the first week we'll be using sketches. The second week we will scrap lift a person that we have found over on Pinterest. The third week we are having inspiration. Again, we pulled it all off of Pinterest. And then the fourth week is just basically on our own and doing what we want to do. But here's the deal. So Janet and I have only so many papers alike, and we built 4 kits, one for each week. We are allowed to add our own embellishments because clearly we have separate or different pictures. So we will be adding the embellishments in order to personalize the photos or the layouts to each of our photos, as well as adding in some cardstock for the photo mats and things like that to help us out because, we don't have a whole lot of papers that are the same. So I wanted to introduce the very first one, which is based off of Vicki Boutin's color study. And what we had was we picked out 2 pieces of this paper here. This one's called Inspired. So it's got this really cool distressed background on it. And then the opposite side, which feels like 2 papers, it is 2 papers, is this gorgeous rainbow of circles. I love this paper, you guys. So this is 2 pieces that we have for the kits. Then we also have 2 of these papers here, again, color study. And this one's called Line Drawing. So it's these really cool drawn lines on one side and this gorgeous blue print on the other side. Isn't that gorgeous? I think it is. So we have 2 of those papers. And then the next up is this piece right here. I love that color. Look at the green. Anyways, this one is called Linear. And then it's got a rainbow of color on the other side. Just one of those papers. Then we have one of these, which is called Mood Board. So it's this beautiful blue stripe on one side. And then the other side is this gorgeous circle with all the different colors. Anyways, that is that piece, one of those. Then the next up is called Color Wheel, which is a color wheel on one side. And then the other side is won't be mentioned, won't be used. It's going to be the color wheel. I'm just saying. Whoop. Next up is called Palette, which is this gorgeous blue ombre paint. It's gorgeous, you guys. I'm sorry. And then the other side is this kind of a yellowy, orangey red polka dot on the other side. And I mean, in the video, it looks a little different than what it looks like in real life. Just saying. So that's what we have for the Vicki Boutin. And then to add a little bit more color and brightness, we added 2 Cocoa Vanilla pieces that Janet actually happened to have. This one here is from the Sun-Kissed collection. It's this gorgeous painted rainbow. Kind of looks brush stroked, distressed, things like that. And the other side is this beautiful ombre. Oh my god. What side will I use? I don't know. It's gorgeous. And then this one here is from Happiness. And it's this beautiful blue with like dash lines. It's not really dots. They're more like dashes. There we go. And then the other side is this gorgeous floral print. I say gorgeous even though it is a lot of pink. Those flowers are still beautiful. The watercolored flowers are just absolutely beautiful. So that is the paper kit that we have. Like I said, throughout this entire week for this kit, we are allowed to bring in some, cardstock to help us mat our photos, as well as some our own embellishments, because I mean, yes, you can create a layout with just paper, but the embellishments make it so much more fun. All right, please join us every day not every day, I apologize. We are only going to be posting for this kit on Saturdays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. And each Saturday we will start off with a new kit. Like I said, every Friday we will reveal what kit we are doing, and then the last Saturday of the month we will do a leftover day. Yes, it's gonna be with tinfoil and everything. I'm just kidding. Anyways, please be sure to join us and check us out and see how Janet and I use up our kits and how different or the same our kits will be. Will we pick the same papers to work with? I wonder. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be so fun. Anyways, thank you so much, and let's get started. Hey, it's MK, and today starts a new day, or a new month I should say, and a new collaboration that I am doing with one of my great friends, Janet Fritz, who is Galaxy Girl Creations here on YouTube. And what we have for you guys this month is something called Kit something. Oh my god, I forgot.